Every night, you spend about a third of your life on a surface that can make or break your day before it even begins. Yet most of us give less thought to choosing a mattress than we do to selecting a smartphone, a device we replace far more frequently. The difference between waking up refreshed or with an aching back often comes down to those 8 inches of material beneath you. In the battle for sleep supremacy, 2 contenders have dominated the market. The traditional spring mattress, with its centuries-old bouncy support, and the relatively newcomer memory foam, which promises to cradle you like an astronaut in zero gravity. Both make compelling cases for your bedroom, but their differences are as stark as night and day. As mattress technology evolves and sleep science advances, the question becomes more complex. Which technology truly deserves the privilege of supporting your slumber for the next decade? Let's pull back the covers on this bedtime decision that impacts thousands of hours of your life. Comfort and support. Spring mattresses provide firm support through their coil systems, which helps maintain spinal alignment, making them particularly suitable for back and combination sleepers. The coiled springs create a balanced feel that's not too squishy, not too stiff. Spring mattresses are generally firmer and can better accommodate heavier body weights. Memory foam excels in pressure relief by contouring to your body using your own body heat and pressure. This conforming quality provides relief to pressure points like hips, shoulders, and neck, which is especially beneficial for those with joint pain or arthritis. Memory foam promotes proper spinal alignment and lumbar support by responding to the natural curves of your body. Motion transfer. Memory foam significantly outperforms spring mattresses in motion isolation. The dense structure absorbs movement, making it ideal for couples, especially if one person is a restless sleeper. You won't feel your partner's movements during the night. Spring mattresses typically transfer more motion across the surface, particularly those with interconnected coils. However, individually pocketed coils perform better at reducing motion transfer than traditional spring designs. Temperature regulation. Spring mattresses offer superior airflow due to their open coil structure, making them naturally cooler and more breathable. This ventilation helps maintain a comfortable sleeping temperature, especially in warmer climates. Memory foam traditionally retains more heat, though many modern options now incorporate cooling gel technology and more breathable layers to address this issue. If you're a hot sleeper but prefer memory foam, look for models with open cell foam or cooling gel pods. Edge support. Spring mattresses typically provide better edge support due to their firmer perimeter construction, allowing you to use the entire surface of the mattress without feeling like you might roll off. Memory foam mattresses often have less defined edges that may compress when you sit or lie near the perimeter. Durability and lifespan. Memory foam is generally more durable, lasting between 8 to 12 years depending on density. Higher density foams last longer. Without moving parts, memory foam is less prone to structural deterioration over time. Spring mattresses typically have a shorter lifespan of 5 to 8 years, as springs can begin to sag and lose tension. However, high-quality spring mattresses with thicker coils can offer excellent durability with proper care. Price. Spring mattresses are generally more affordable as their manufacturing process and materials tend to be less expensive. Basic spring mattresses represent some of the most budget-friendly options on the market. Memory foam mattresses typically come at a higher price point, especially those with advanced cooling features or higher density foams. However, their longer lifespan may offer better value over time. Materials. Spring mattresses consist of metal coils or springs of various lengths and thicknesses, with designs ranging from uniform spirals to hourglass-shaped coils. The springs form the support layer, topped with thin fabric or foam for comfort. Types include Bonnell coils, hourglass-shaped interconnected, continuous coils, single wire formed into multiple coils, offset coils, hourglass shape with flattened tops, pocket coils, individually wrapped in fabric. Memory foam is made of viscoelastic polyurethane foam that responds to heat and pressure. Quality memory foam mattresses typically feature multiple layers with different densities to provide both support and comfort. Some incorporate plant-based materials or gel infusions to improve cooling properties. Health considerations. Memory foam is hypoallergenic and resistant to dust mites, mold, and other common allergens due to its dense structure. However, new memory foam mattresses may release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, through a process called off-gassing, which can cause an unpleasant smell for a few days. Spring mattresses with their open construction allow for better airflow, which can discourage microbes and allergens when properly maintained. However, over time, they may accumulate more dust and allergens in the spaces between coils. Best for different sleeper types. Side sleepers typically benefit more from memory foam, which cushions pressure points at the shoulders and hips while maintaining spinal alignment. Back and stomach sleepers often prefer the firmer support of spring mattresses, which prevent excessive sinking that could misalign the spine. Combination sleepers might appreciate the responsiveness of spring mattresses, which makes changing positions easier, though pocket coil springs or hybrid options can offer a good balance. Couples generally find memory foam better for minimizing motion transfer and noise, ensuring undisturbed sleep when partners move. Hybrid options. For those who can't decide between the two, hybrid mattresses combine the supportive coil system of spring mattresses with comfort layers of memory foam. These provide the stability of springs with the pressure relief of foam, offering a best of both worlds solution for many sleepers. So which one should you choose? When choosing between memory foam and spring mattresses, consider your sleeping position and body weight, temperature preferences, motion sensitivity, budget and value expectations, pressure relief needs, allergies and sensitivities. The right mattress should align with your individual sleep needs while providing comfort and support for years to come. Testing different mattresses before purchasing is always recommended, as personal preference ultimately determines which mattress type will give you the best night's sleep.